Here at Container Experts, we have customers that provide chemicals to the oil drilling industry, water treatment, and all types of chemical companies that pack their products in totes.
We have to make sure our containers are clean enough that they can basically put anything in it afterwards, so it doesn't matter what the product is. We do everything from kegs, which is like 16 gallons, all the way up to 797s, or 800-gallon containers on a progressive wash line. Container Expert in Houston cleans approximately 80 to 90,000 containers a year. We're doing waxes, glues, polymers, adhesives. We've found that probably 80% what we need to clean will come out with just hot water. The ability to go up to 40,000 psi, there's virtually nothing that won't come off with a stainless steel container at that pressure.
In our processes, we're trying to get the chemical out as quickly as possible and then follow it up with clean water and ultimately get the surfaces of the tanks completely clean. The toughest part is the inside because that's where these tough chemicals are. The NLB pump, with its high pressure, allows us to clean that in a semi-automatic environment where we're not having to use hand tools to get the material off.
Since we've started working with NLB, we've had very good success. The maintenance is a lot less. The rebuilds are a lot easier. We looked into it and virtually we've had almost no work on our pumps as of yet. They've worked very well.
NLB won our business with their sales, service, and support. We were able to demo equipment. We got safety training before the demo, and we pretty much had our hands held through the whole process. And there are other pumps out there that you can buy, but NLB makes it easy. So we like working with NLB.